Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to the Living Irving channel. My name is Tanya, and in today's video I will be showing you how to get this cute drawstring ponytail right here. This is super cute. So if you're someone that's suffering with traction alopecia like myself, balding or thinning edges, and you're looking for some inspirational styles, you want to wear your hair up on certain occasions, then this is the channel for you. So if you're not subscribed here, go ahead, hit that subscribe button along with the notification bell, and without further ado, we're going to go ahead and hop into this video. Okay, so I'm taking my hair and brushing it up in a little bun, and I'm taking the Kiss Quick Cover Gray Hair Touch-Up Stick in the color black, and I'm adding that to the areas that's bald or thin. And this is not a lipstick. It has a very tacky consistency. It has jojoba oil in it, so it's very moisturizing, and it's tacky and it sticks down to the scalp. So you just need to blend it out. So now I'm taking the Cream of Nature Edge Control Black. This is called Perfect Edges, and I'm applying this just around the perimeter of my hairline. You do not need a lot of product here. You're going to just start with a little product and add in later. So once you've added the product, you're just going to take a brush, you can take your finger, whatever, and just blend that in. You're going to take a little hairspray. This is some 𝐄𝐃 hairspray, and you're going to apply it to the area where you applied your gray cover stick and the edge control. This helps all three products just get tackier and ready for molding. And you're just going to brush that out and add your hair in the bun for the ponytail. And then we're going to take a little bit more product and we're just going to add it in to the areas that looks very sparse, so that everything just kind of blends in a little bit naturally. We're trying to go for a natural look. We're trying to create an illusion here. So you got to take your time with this and just blend, 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 and apply where areas need an application. So now I got it where I want it. I'm taking this Samba drawstring ponytail. It has a huge front tuck comb, so you can do so much with this. And then it has a smaller one in the back and the drawstring. So you're just going to take that and apply the tuck comb in the front, and I love the length of it because it just gives you that extra security. You're going to take your drawstring, pull it tight to your liking, tuck it away, cut any hairs that you don't like, any stragglies, and then go ahead and just fix your edges, right? So I had to pull my hair back in a bun back in a scrunchie because it was getting in my way. So now I'm taking my handy dandy scarf and I'm going to go ahead and mold the hair down. I usually like to let this sit for about 15 minutes. Once I'm done, I take some micellar water on a cotton round and I clean up my ears and my hairline where oil has gotten on my face and other areas. And then you're just going to take your brush and you're just going to keep blending and applying product to the sparse areas. Again, this is a process. Take your time, get this right. And yeah, I'm taking some ISO Plus Oil Sheen hairspray and adding some extra shine and moisture. And we're done. I added a hair jewel. I love it. Let me know what you think. Leave me a comment below and see you in another video. Bye.